This is the lab session for DynamoDB. Here we come into the AWS console for DynamoDB. Create table, give a name for the table, example, employee table. Then you create a partition key, which would be the employee ID. And you can also add a sort key, which would be a department ID. For example, every employee can be part of only one department. However, he cannot be part of multiple departments. So this can be add as a composite key for the primary key. So click on create. This creates you the table. Go to the items. Once the table is created, and you can add data over here. So there are two ways you can add data. One is you can add data using the tree structure, or you can add data using the JSON structure. So we'll be adding data using the tree structure. Employee ID is 1, department number is 23, and you can add values, furthermore values like name, John. You can add an address which is of type map. Street, Harpers Point Drive, city, Cincinnati, country, USA. So if you look at the text format of this data item, so this is how exactly it looks, and you click on save. So once you save it, you will be able to see the data item here actually, and you can scan that or you can query it as well. So we'll add a couple of more data items. The easiest way to add data is go back to this, take the text value type, copy that onto your notepad or your Visual Code. You can change the employee ID to 2, name to Smith. He can be of the same department number, and he can be part of New York. Copy this back again, create item, go back to the T structure, text, paste it here and save it. Once the data is added, the data can be viewed using the scan, or you can query the data as well. So when you use a scan, all the data that is present in the table can be seen, or you can filter them using the filter expression. So you can add a filter here and give an attribute name is a string which is equal to John. This fetches only the data that has John as a name. Or you can use query. In query you need to use the primary key value. So I need to use 1 and then John, and then I search it, then I get the data that contains the primary key which is 1 and John. So this is a simple way of fetching the data in two different formats. One is a scan and one is a query. So now we are going to delete these items. Go back to scan, select each of those items, action, delete. So this will delete the item from the table, and we can delete the table itself. So this deletes the table, and that's the end of our lab section for DynamoDB. Thank you so much.